Hello there. Who are you? What are you doing in my garden?
Hi, I'm Amita. And what is your name?
My name is Squeaky the Squirrel.
What a cute name.
But what are you doing in my garden?
I was taking a stroll and thinking about how to teach my children about comparisons.
Comparisons? What are they? Can you teach me too?
Why not, Squeaky? Let's do comparisons today. Hey, Squeaky, who are these three squirrels?
They are my three brothers, Chinu, Tinu, and Pinu.
They all look the same to me.
Yeah, they look same, but there is a difference in them. Pinu is tall than Tinu, and Tinu is tall than Chinu.
Wait a minute, you have totally confused me. This is not the way we compare things, people, or places. We use the degree of comparison.
What?
Look here. We say Pinu is taller than Tinu. Tinu is taller than Chinu. Which adjective did I use?
Taller.
Yes, so the right adjective is Pinu is taller than Tinu. Taller, not tall. Alright?
Yeah.
An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. Here, the brothers are nouns here. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Now let me take you ahead.
But wait, what is degree of comparison?
Degree of comparison means an adjective can be written in three different types to denote three degrees of comparison, namely the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree.
What are they?
I'll explain to you. Hold on a second.
Whose house is this? What a lovely house. Is this your house?
Yes, Squeaky, this is my house.
Your house is big.
Thank you, Squeaky. Now, Squeaky, tell me, how many houses do you see?
One,
So, which adjective did you use for this?
big,
How many houses are you comparing?
one.
So, you see, when you talk about only one thing, then it is the positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to
One object, one person, or one place without any comparison.
so which degree did we use here?
Positive degree.
And the adjective was
Big.
very good. Now let's go to the next.
Oh, I know them. They are my best friends, Rahul and Mohan. Rahul is taller than Mohan.
Very good, Squeaky. You use the right sentence now and you use the right degree as well. Can you tell me the adjective that you used here?
Taller.
And how many boys did you compare?
2.
So when we compare two people, two things, or two places, it is called the comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjectives as compared to the positive degree.
It is used to compare two objects, two people, or places.
Very good, Squeaky. Now you understand comparative degree?
Yeah, easy peasy.
Okay, now let us see what is superlative degree.
Ma'am, who are they?
These are the three girls of my class, Priya, Neha, and Riya. Squeaky, can you tell me who is the tallest?
Riya is the tallest.
And how many girls did we compare here?
3.
So when we compare more than two people, we use the superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than
Two objects, two people, or two places.
very good.
But ma'am, I have a confusion when to add ER or EST? I'm totally confused.
That is what our teacher's here for. Now let me tell you rules of changing positive to comparative degree. For adjectives that are just one syllable means one sound, add ER to the end. For example, big becomes bigger, large becomes larger, and small becomes
Smaller.
For two-syllable adjectives, two-syllable means two sounds in a word, not ending in Y, and for all three or more syllable adjectives, use the form more plus adjective. For example, tangled becomes more tangled, important becomes more important. For two-syllable adjectives ending in Y, change the Y to I and add
ER.
For example, happy becomes happier, lucky becomes luckier, and greedy becomes greedier. Here, in happy, I removed the Y, added an I plus ER. In lucky, I removed the Y, added an I plus ER. In greedy, I removed the Y, added an I and ER. Understood, Squeaky?
Easy peasy.
But you need to learn these rules. And how will you learn these rules? By practicing them regularly.
Ma'am, you taught me to change from positive to comparative. But how will I change from positive to superlative?
Hold on to your horses, Squeaky. Rules of changing positive to superlative. Adjectives ending in Y change their spelling when EST is added. To form these superlatives, change the Y to an I before adding the EST ending. For example, happy becomes happiest, greedy becomes greediest, tidy becomes tidiest. How, Squeaky?
We remove the Y and add an I and EST.
Very good. Other rule, for two-syllable adjectives not ending in Y and for all three or more syllable adjectives, use the form most plus adjective. Useful becomes most useful, intelligent becomes more intelligent.
Ma'am, can you tell me some examples?
Sure, Squeaky. So here is the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Now can you read these examples for me?
Tall, taller and tallest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Boring, more boring, most boring. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest.
Squeaky, the last three sets of adjectives are little different
Yeah, and I didn't understand.
because these are exceptions and you need to learn them as it is. There are no rules that they follow. So you will remember only when you start practicing them in your daily conversations and your written work. So remember, practice will make you perfect in your comparisons. Alright, Squeaky?
Yes.
Good. Thank you so much, children, for patiently listening to the video. I hope you have understood your comparisons. Please get back to the video again and again to remember the rules and memorize them. As you learn your mathematics by doing it regularly, similarly, your English grammar you need to do on a regular basis. Even if you do 5 sentences every day, you will never forget your grammar rules. So wait for the worksheets and remember, discipline, revision and honesty in your work are the most important things that you need to follow. All the best and have a good day.